Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well and safe. I am Ratnarani Moitro, Assistant Teacher, Government Model Secondary School, Khulna. You all are welcome to Amar Ghare Amar School online program. Students, this is class 8. Today I am going to take a class on your EFT book, Unit 6, Lesson 1. Our today's topic is at the airport. At the airport. Students, open your book at page 57. Have you opened? Now, students, look at the picture of the book and talk about it. Okay? Students, there are 4 questions here. Our first question is, what do you see? What do you see in the picture? Actually, there are some limitations here because it's not our real class. In our real class, I can help you. I help you and you can give answers of this question. Now, I am giving answer of the questions and you will match your answers with me. Okay? What do you see? We see some people are sitting. We see some people are sitting together. We also see a plane is flying away. Okay? Our second question is, can you guess where it could be? Can you guess? We guess it is an airport. Okay? Our third question is, who are the people in the picture? They are passengers waiting for plane. Okay? Our fourth question is, what could be their relationship? We see because they are sitting very closely. So we guess they could be the family members. They could be the members of a same family. Okay? Students, now I am going to write some words meaning from this lesson. Okay? Students, look at the board. Our first word is lounge. It means public room for relaxing. অর্থাৎ বিভিন্ন হোটেল বা এয়ারপোর্টে যে বিশ্রাম করার জন্য যে পাবলিকদের জন্য যে জায়গাটা থাকে তাকে বলা হয় লাউঞ্জ. রিলেশনশিপ, ইট মিনস কানেকশন বাই ফ্যামিলি. In Bengali it means সম্পর্ক. Okay? Our third word is immigration. It means the place at a port and airport etc. where the passports and other documents of people coming into a country are checked. অর্থাৎ যে স্থানে বাইরের থেকে আসা লোকজনের পাসপোর্ট বা অন্যান্য কাগজপত্র চেক করা হয় সেই স্থানকে বলা হয় ইমিগ্রেশন. ওকে স্টুডেন্টস, নাও আই অ্যাম রিডিং দ্য টেক্সট অ্যান্ড ইউ উইল অলসো রিড উইথ মি অ্যান্ড ফাইন্ড আউট ইফ ইউর গেজেস আর কারেক্ট. ওকে Zara lives with her parents in London. They have come to Bangladesh to visit Zara's aunt and uncle. She is very close to her cousin Mita. Both the families have visited many interesting places together in Bangladesh. It was great fun. Then they decided that they would visit some places outside Bangladesh. They decided to go to Thailand, but Mita's parents were too busy with their work, so they could not go. However, Mita was going with them. Mita, Zara and her parents are at Hazrat Shahjalan International Airport. They are waiting in the lounge. Mita is very excited. This is her first time to board a plane. They are flying by Bangladesh Biman. Mita is hoping to have a great time in Thailand. As they wait, the two cousins start planning what they would do once they reach Bangkok. Mita's uncle brings forms for all of them to fill in before going through the immigration. He gives one to Mita and says, "You have to give some information about yourself in the form. The immigration officer will check your passport and stamp it, and then you are ready to travel." Mita, Zara and her parents start filling in the forms. Okay, students, you have read the text with me. Now go for step C. Read the text again and answer the following questions. There are 3 questions here. I will also help you. I am giving the clue of the answers of the questions, and you will try to find out the answer. Okay. Our first question is, why is Mita excited? Why is Mita excited? Mita is excited because it is her first time to board a plane. Okay. Our second question is, why aren't Mita's parents going with her? Mita's parents are not going with her as they are too busy with their work. Our third question is, what does an immigration officer do at the airport? An immigration officer checks the passports and the passengers and stamp. Checks the passports of the passengers and stamp. Okay. I think you have tried your best to find out the answers of the questions. Students, I also hope that you have learned, you have understood the lesson very easily. So thank you so much. Now I am going to give your homework. You will write your homework in your notebook. Your homework will be, write a short composition about your experience of traveling to your sister's house. Write a composition about your experience of traveling to your sister's house. So students, that's the end of the class today. Thank you.